Alright, so in this video we're going to look at math. The topic is calculus. So we're going to answer the question that came in the 2021 GCE exams. Okay, that is paper 2. Alright, so the question is about finding the equation of the curve from the dy dx that is given, or the gradient function. So you need to keep one thing in mind. They will use different languages depending on how the papers come. Some of them, in some paper they say given the dy dx is such, or in some paper they say given that the gradient function is such. Alright, so in this case, the first thing that you need to keep in mind when you are handling such a question is that when you find the equation of the curve, when you're already given the gradient function, it's more like you are taking the function that you have back to its original form. And remember, mind you, for us to reach at this point, for us to reach at this point, meaning the dy dx or the gradient function, you had to differentiate the general function that you are given. So in this case, you always remember to say differentiating is the exact opposite of integrating. So when you differentiate a function, the answer that you get, if you integrate it, you're going to get back to the original function. So we have to integrate that for us to find the equation of a curve, because you're looking for the constant number, all right, which we don't have in that case, because as we were differentiating, there might be a constant number that was removed. All right, so this, we do that. Okay, 3 dx. For us to integrate that, we are going to say this will be 2x 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 3x plus c. The constant is what we are looking for. This is equated to y. Alright, like that. So now we know to say this will go and that will go. The 1 plus 1 is still 2, so just have to take it out to make your work easier. Alright, so I'm going to have y is equals to x to the power 2 minus 3x plus c. What I'm looking for is the value of c. Right, so remember to say the question says x and y are equals to 3, meaning where there is y here, I'm going to replace with 3, and where there is x, I put 3 to the power 2, alright, like that, minus 3 open bracket times 3 plus c. Okay, so this will be 3 is equals to 3 to the power 2 is 9 minus 3 times 3 same as 3 to the power 2, which also give us 9 plus c. Okay, so now you know, say this will be out. Say 3 is equals to c, or in other words, c is equals to 3. So in this case, after we integrated, this is what we had. So meaning you just have to pick this function that you have here. You're going to say y is equals to x to the power 2 minus 3x, and the value of c that we have is positive 3. That's the equation of the curve there. And if you want, you can differentiate this. Remember, the power will drop and reduce by 1. You're going to have 2x to the power 1 there, which is that one there. The constant is going to be stripped of. We are going to get rid of the x, that is the 3 there. You're sorry, not the constant, this number here. We are going to get rid of the x, the 3 will remain. Then the constant is, you know, when you're differentiating, the constant is always equals to 0. Right, so that's how you go about handling that question. Thank you.